Hello guys, welcome to another day, Camp House Barbecue Company. Hey guys, today I'm gonna do something as simple. I know I have a salsa recipe out there that I've done, but now I'm gonna do a pico de gallo recipe for y'all. It's fairly simple. It's cilantro, serrano peppers, purple onion, tomatoes, limes of course, and then cilantro. And then we're gonna chop them all up and mix them all together. And then once I get to that stage, we'll check back. And like I said, also I forgot just ordinary table salt. So we'll check back in a bit. All right guys, so I'm gonna start with the pico de gallo. Like I said, I'm gonna start off with the onion. Cause man, I mean, I like onion, but sometimes it's a little strong for me. So what I like to do, I get my onion out first, and then I put it in lime. I mean, I put the lime in there and let them sit together in there for a while, and it does it all right. Little thick, you know. Probably a better way to cut an onion, but this is the way I do it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna chop this up. Probably just leave it like that a little bit, just bigger pieces, cut them. I'm gonna put them into my bowl, and then we'll add everything else. I'll show you what I'm gonna do, because like I said, I had to add my lime first and let it sit in the lime for a little bit, and then add the rest of the stuff. Alright guys, so I've got it's 4 limes, the juice of 4 limes. I'm gonna see what it looks like with that, and if we need more, we'll add some more. But all right guys, so I got the juice of 4 limes. I'm gonna let them sit in there. Like I said, I like to let my onions sit in the lime juice for a little bit before I add everything else. You know, I don't know, it's personal preference. But we'll let them sit there for a little bit, and then we'll check back once I add all my other ingredients. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the serranos. I mean, I just cut them down the middle and chop them up. Whatever the case may be, if they get stuck, they didn't go get cut or too big of a chunks. So I'm gonna cut, that's 2. I'm gonna put 3 for now, just to see how hot it is. Excuse me, if we need to go hotter, then we'll go hotter. Alright, you see how it's getting color already? Nice. I'm gonna put 3, I said, so. Alright guys, so we're gonna check back right now when we get the tomato on. So I'm gonna add my tomato in. Like I said, it's just 2 large tomatoes. Check it out like so. said, there's probably an easier way or a better way, but this is the way I was taught. This is the way I do it. Watch it. Watch your hands. It's chile. Move. Chile. That's chile. Like I said, I go one way, then come back the other way, and then flip it over, and just you get your little diamonds out. All right, guys, I'm gonna add this in, and then we'll come back on the next step. All right, guys, now for my final stage, I'm just gonna add a probably quarter, maybe a little half of cilantro, and this one I'll just grab it, cut pieces off, and just coarsely, dead ones in there, coarsely chop it up. Like I said, just to break up them oils, so you can release that flavor. There we go. All right, guys, so I'm gonna transfer it in here to its, where we're gonna serve it up. Slowly, oh, we don't get all crazy on it. All right, guys, so I dumped it into my molcajete where we're gonna have it, you know, towards the end. That's where it's gonna final resting state. So got it all dumped in here. Make sure we get all the juices in there. All right, and at this point, I'm gonna add just a little salt up top. That way, once everybody gets their own stuff, they can, you know, add salt to taste. All right, guys, so I'm gonna get some corn chips, and then we'll get a good taste test. All right, guys, so here's the taste test. Check it out. You can see, you can tell. Try it out. That's definitely fresh. Ooh-wee! Got a kick to it too. Got right consistency, and then right at the back end, it'll hit you right where you need it to. Pretty good. Hey guys, I appreciate all the likes, share, support. Like I said, this is an easy recipe. I have my email, Facebook, Instagram, all on my page. If I have any questions about anything that I'm doing, that I've done on here, feel free to shoot me a message. I'll help you out. I'll be glad to help you out. So, hey, thank y'all for all the support. Share this video. If y'all haven't subscribed, subscribe. And hit that bell on the way out, guys, for all the notifications. I'm going to start going live. I had a 2-hour live the other day. It was pretty fun. We hung out there for a while. But appreciate it, guys, and we'll catch y'all on the next one.